Oh my God, it's Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful and wonderful mothers out there. The mothers who are out there doing it by themselves. Happy Mother's Day to my lovely angels. I love you guys. I now know what it feels like to be a mom, and it's a lot of work. Okay? All my people out there who don't have a child yet, being a mama is a lot of work, and I have to say a huge thank you to all the moms out there who makes it seem so effortless and so easy, because it is definitely not. It is the complete opposite of easy. Thank you guys for bringing that child. Thank you guys for supporting that child. Thank you guys for caring, and going through all the struggles and fight with that child. You guys are blessed, and I pray for you guys, and I hope that you guys have health. I hope nothing but success for you. I wish nothing but happiness for you guys. You guys are the best. We are the best. Mothers are the best. You guys are awesome. You guys are great, and I love you guys so much. Mwah. Happy Mother's Day.
Just show the straw when we're ballin'. 20 other spies are calling. When we let it slide, as you call.
Hi my loves, welcome back to another video. This month is going so fast, baby. Like, I am literally already, I'm $50 short on covering all my bills for June. Literally $50. And whatever remaining money I make for the rest of the month is just free money. Not free money, but like money that I could do other stuff with. So I'm really excited. This month has been very great. And like always, we are going to start off today's video with a positive quote before we go any further. Things to remember. I found one. Things to remember. 1, you don't have to be perfect. I'm gonna say it again. You don't have to be perfect. 2, having a bad day is okay. We all have bad days. We're not perfect. 3, small steps are also progress. Take the small step. You are stepping one step ahead of where you were yesterday. Asking for help is strength. Some of us, we don't like to ask for help, but sometimes other people have so much wisdom that they can share with us that can make our lives so much easier and make things go so much better for us. Me personally, I will ask for help because I feel like I like to gravitate towards older people because I tend to learn so much from them. I think asking for help is really strength. And 5, people love and appreciate you. Always remember that. Sometimes you might feel unloved, sometimes you might feel unappreciated, but remember, there is someone out there who loves you. I love you. I really do. I love all of you guys. I've never met y'all, but I love you guys. Not only because y'all subscribers, but you know, you guys are here. You guys comment below. You guys, you know, like, you guys make me feel so welcomed over here. And I hope that I do the same for you guys. I really want to reach out more to everyone, you know. Come on y'all channel and be a little more active, but bear with me probably in the next month because I'm so tired, y'all. I have so much going on. Stay strong, beautiful. Stay strong. Today's stuffing, we are going to stuff builds. The month is going so good for me, like so good. It's prom season, so I have been so busy. Call it that I've already made my bills. I'm in shock. I literally am in shock. I'm like, oh my god, did I just do that? But guys, it has been great this month. Today is the 13th of May. I'm almost already at 100% of my June bills. Let us see probably the remaining balance of whatever other clients I have left for this month. Probably I can add that to month ahead, you know, and get a month ahead. I don't know, I'll see. But let's count the cash. Today I think we have $610 that we're stuffing. So we have 100, 200. We put that up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 300, 1 2 3 4 5, 400, 1 2 3 4 5, 500, 1 2 3 4 5, $610 is what we have made between yesterday and today. So let us stuff that. I feel like I want to recount this because some of them weren't turned the correct way. I know. 100, 200, 1 2 3 4 5, 300, 1 2 3 4 5, 400, 1 2 3 4 5, 500, 1 2 3 4 5, 610. Oh my god, it has been a blessed month so far. The month just started. It literally has been 1 week and I literally already have my bills down pat, and I can't feel any more blessed by this. I'm so blessed. I feel super blessed. I'm happy. So let's go ahead and stuff. Let's see. So for rent today, we are adding $300 to our rent. So let's use the big bills. We have the 200 and we need 1 2 3 4 5. So we have 100, 200, 1 2 3 4 5. So we're adding $300 towards rent today, which makes us have, let's see, they're all 20s. So in rent, remember I'll pay half the rent, which is $750. So I have 100, 200, 300, 400, 550, 1 2 3 4 5, 650. I have 700. So I literally have to put $50 on the rent, and I'll have the rent for the month of June already prepared and ready to go. So that's a blessing. That's very much a blessing. Next, we have utilities. We are adding $30 to our utilities today. So 20 and a 10 makes it 30. And I do pay half the utilities as well. So all I need is 60 bucks. So I have 50, 60. I do have my $60 for the utilities ready to go. So that's completed. Woohoo! Next, we have phone bill. We're adding $60 to phone bill today. 20, 40, 60. And my phone bill is 120. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 120. So phone bill is also down patch and completed. Nice. We also have car insurance, and today for car insurance we are adding $150. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 40, and 50. So we are adding 150 to car insurance, which makes it, my car insurance is $300, y'all, unfortunately. And we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So we have our $300 for our car insurance for the month of June. Oh my God, I'm blessed. Next, we have car payment. Today for car payment, we're adding $50 to car payment. My car payment, I try to pay at least $250 on it, sometimes $300. So we are going to add $50 today. So we have 40, 50, which makes it 1 2 3 4 5, 100, 1 2 3 4 5, 200, 250. So we have our $250 for car payment, so we are good. And last but not least, we have subscriptions. And today for subscriptions, we are adding $20. So let's see. I try to have at least $80 or $70 for subscriptions because I did recently cancel a lot of subscriptions. So each time I'll try to add at least 20, or if I could add 30, I will, just to keep money afloat in there if I need to if I fall short anywhere on subscriptions. But I have calculated, I've cut down a lot of subscriptions that I've had, so I should be saving more money back on this. I will, after this month and I go over my expenses and stuff, I will take a look at that and see how much exactly it is that I need for subscriptions. But today we are adding 20, which makes it 65. I am feeling blessed. It's May 13 and our bills are here. Literally only $50 to put in the rent and we are good to go. I'm happy about this. I'm super excited. So that was the stuffing for today, guys. You know, literally just bills. I'm looking forward to see you guys in the next video, and thank you so much for the love and support. And comment something positive down below because you could brighten up someone's day, okay?
I used to work the day away. I figured I could maybe pave a way. No, it's niggas that count.